A surprisingly common question that we get often is how many keywords are we going after with our search engine optimization plan? And the reason why the question gets asked quite a bit is because there's a lot of marketing companies out there that for whatever reason are trying to pigeonhole the amount of keywords that they're going after when they're working with a company. And the reason behind doing this is because they want to buy themselves more time. So if you're going into a contract or an agreement with a marketing company that's going to limit you to, let's just say 5, 10, or 25 keywords, just know that the reason being is that they're going to focus on those keywords, let's say for 3, 6, 9, or maybe even 12 months. And then when things aren't progressing the way that they should, or the results aren't happening quick enough, what they're going to say is, oh, hey, we need another 6, 9, 12 months to buy ourselves more time to go after a different set of keywords, and then we're going to shift the focus. And so what I tell people all the time is there are different types of important keywords you're going to be going after. So for example, there's going to be the money keyword, which is kind of the main keyword that people are searching the most when it comes to a specific industry. So for example, for our auto glass company, it's Auto Glass Repair St. Louis. For our digital marketing company, it's Digital Marketing St. Louis. Now there's hundreds, if not thousands of other keywords that people are going to search to come get the exact same type of service or product that they're going to get with any single industry. You can use location, you can use near me, you can not use near me or location, you can use company, business, anything that's under the sun. And so when we're working with clients on an SEO strategy and they ask us that question, what I tell them is we are going to go after as many keywords as we can possibly rank for, because when you do SEO the right way and you have the subset of keywords, kind of our content pillars that are going to tackle those keywords that are the bigger ones, the bigger fish, you're also going to rank for a slew of other keywords in a variety of different variations as well, again, if you're doing this the right way. So there's going to be the big fish that we're trying to go after, the money keywords that's like, okay, when we get to page 1 for those keywords, that's really where things are going to take off. But in that progression, we're going to be going after all of the other keywords as well in a variety of different variations, starting with keywords at the front and locations at the back, and then vice versa, and near me, and all of those different things. And what that's going to do is allow us to get some quick wins along the way for the keywords that maybe people aren't going after, or if they are working with a company that's going after 5, 10, 15 keywords, we're able to take care of some of the ones that people just don't care about as much because they're not as widely known, they're not as widely searched, so they tend to just kind of forget about them. So while we're going after the big fish, while we're going after those money keywords, we'll also make sure that we're getting those ones as well. So it's super, super effective to do that. So when somebody asks me that question, as I said, again, we're going to go after the big ones, the ones that everybody are thinking about, but we're also not going to neglect the ones that are searched less, not as widely used, because if you can get to page 1 for some of those keywords, albeit 20, 30, 40, 50 searches a month, that's still better getting there quicker while also eventually getting to page 1 for some of those other keywords and putting yourself in a position to get return on investment quicker with SEO. So the reason behind why people are so accustomed to and asking those questions is because marketing agencies, typically some of the larger ones, are going to set themselves up for the ability to buy themselves more time by saying, hey, you know what, Adam, we only focused on these 10, 15, 20 keywords, and here's where we're at. And, right now we got to go pivot and focus on these other keywords. Again, if you're doing SEO the right way, if you have a full-fledged approach, you should be operating and tackling things from all angles, going after the big ones, the more important ones, the ones that are searched more, as well as some of those lower hanging fruit. So I hope this video helps when it comes to getting the question or you asking the question as a business owner, how many keywords am I going after and why? It shouldn't be a, hey, 10, 15, 20. It should be a full-fledged, fully encompassed plan, with obviously priorities, things coming to the top, and then as well as having some things that'll come down the pipeline. but focus on the things that you can do to get the quick wins as well. So I hope this video helps. I hope you got some good information, feedback, things like that from this, insights, etc. Feel free to leave some comments in the section below. And if there's anything that we can do to help on your SEO strategy or plan, feel free to reach out to me specifically at AdamMcChesney.com. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and we'll see you next time.